Alright, good evening. This is Erica with Seldom Saints, and tonight we are going to be learning how to slice an image in Cricut Design Space. First thing you're going to want to do is go to your browser. I use Safari. And we're going to go up to the search bar and type in Cricut Design Space. Mine pops up right there. Go ahead and click on it and let the page load. Alright, once we get into Design Space, we are going to take a shape. Let's do a shape for this purpose. We could do a square. And I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit bigger. And just so you guys can see it, I'm going to change the color of it to black. And then we'll go ahead and take another shape. Let's do a star. And we'll go ahead and put that in the middle. I'm going to change the color just so you guys can see it. Doesn't really matter. It's just so you can see it a little bit better. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Somewhat center that. Now, in order to slice it, you're going to take your mouse and highlight both of the images. So right now you have both the square and the star highlighted. Then you're going to go down here to the bottom corner, the right hand side right here where it says slice, and we're going to hit that. Now, you have this. Doesn't look like anything really happened, but if you notice over here in your layers panel, you have 3 different slice results. You can remove the star just like so, and now you have 3 different pieces. You can delete these if you don't need them, and now you have the square with the star cut out in the middle. And that's pretty much how you slice anything in Design Space. We can try with the text this time. So let's go ahead and delete this. And let's put in a shape. Let's do a square again. And we'll go ahead and make this box a little bit bigger. And let's change the color. Let's change it to black again. Alright, and then you can take your text, and I'm just going to type in slice. Okay, let's go ahead and we'll just leave it that font. You can choose whatever font you want. I am going to change the color so you can see it. And we'll take it over here and make it a little bit bigger, stretch it out. Alright, so now we have our square rectangle right here, and we have the word slice. So, yet again, you're going to take your mouse and just highlight both of them. Now they're both highlighted, and you can tell that they're both highlighted over here. And then you're going to hit the slice button. Alright, and now you can click on it and remove it. We can move that down. We no longer need that. And as you can see, there's one more right here. We don't need that one either. So now we've taken text and sliced it out of this rectangle. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you have any other questions, please leave it in the comments below. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also if you click the notification bell, it notifies you when I make new videos. Also, if there's any videos that you would like to see, please leave that in the comments. Thanks, guys. See you soon.